Today we discuss how to create automatic feature. If you want to draw network and other, so it is very important for creating automatic feature. It is time management and time saving process. So listen carefully, it is very important. So let's start. Here is our network overhead line and pole structure, and we create assembly means DTR, HT side switch, HT side fuse, LT side fuse and meter. We automatic create a feature. So first we check DTR pole. So we go to pole attribute and we search here DTR pole. Here is our DTR pole. We go to select by attribute and select equal to DTR and apply. We select here DTR pole. DTR pole is here, highlighted DTR pole. DTR pole is highlighted. We create automatically feature and we export it, highlighted. And we make a new folder. Folder 3 and we name DTR pole and save and OK. Here is DTR pole. Here is DTR pole. DTR pole. And we calculate XY field. Go to data management feature and we select here add XY coordinate. We double click and we select here DTR pole and OK. XY coordinate added. We check here. You see here X and Y coordinate add. And we export it. HT side, HT switch, HT switch, save and OK. And we delete coordinate start editing. We select all and go to editor and we move it zero point 177 and 0.177. If here is 0.177 means 0.25 meter is point shifted. If you want to other distance, so decide in your XY point as per your requirement. We requirement only 0.25 meter, so we move it 0.77 meter and enter. Our point is moved. You see here point move. Here is DTR pole and here is switch. We change symbol. Here is switch, here is DTR pole and here is switch. After move, we calculate XY coordinate. So we save it and stop it and go to add XY coordinate, double click and we go to ST switch and OK. Coordinate added. You see here XY coordinate added. We change some name for X point underscore A underscore A and OK. Close it and we go to data management feature and go to XY line. We double click XY line and we select here and we join it, special join DTR pole to ST switch. We select here join data from another. We select here switch and each point will be given all the attributes. We click here and OK. Our joint file is created. Here DTR pole coordinate and here HT switch coordinate. After this we go to XY to line and we go to input. We select table, join table and we select here start X field means DTR pole X field point Y and start Y field means DTR pole Y and next end X field means HT switch and point X underscore 1 and Y end field means HT switch and point Y underscore 1 and OK. Here you see line is generated, pole to switch, and we export it overhead underscore line 1. Save it. And next feature, switch to HT side fuse. So we export HT switch and we write here HT fuse and save. OK. HT fuse, open attribute table, and we remove XY coordinate and we start editing. And open attribute table, select all and move same at 0.177 and 0.177 and enter. You see here our point is move 0.25 meter. You see here, and we save it. We save it. Stop editing. And we go to add XY coordinate. And we select here HT fuse and OK. Coordinate generated and we change name X point underscore B point Y underscore B and OK. We special join HT switch to HT fuse. Here HT fuse and click and OK. Our output is here and here is HT switch coordinate and here is HT fuse coordinate. We make a line, go to XY2 line, we select here table, join table, and we give point X means HT switch X point and point Y HT switch Y and point X underscore 1 means HT fuse X point and point Y underscore 1 means HT fuse Y point and OK. Here line is generated. Switch to fuse, we change symbol, remove it and we change symbol. Here switch to fuse and we export it. Overhead line underscore 2 and save. Next we HT fuse to DTR. Next we export HT fuse DTR, save and we remove X point, delete X and Y. And we start editing. And open attribute table, select all and go to editor, move, zero point 177 0.177 and enter. We move it, you see here, we move it. After move, we save it, stop editing and we add XY coordinate. We select here DTR and OK. Here is XY coordinate and we write here underscore C underscore C and OK. We join HT fuse to DTR and click here, each point will be given and OK. Here is output, here is HT fuse point and here is DTR point and we go to XY2 line, we select here join output and we select here point X means HT fuse and Y means HT fuse Y and we select here point X underscore 1 means DTRX and we select here point Y underscore 1 means DTRY point and OK. Here is generated line. We export it, overhead underscore 3, and save it. And we give a symbology for DTR symbol. Here is DTR, fuse, and switch, and here is pole. And we nest LT side fuse. So we export again DTR. We write here LT fuse, and we delete XY point, and we start editing. And we move it 0.177 and 0.177 and enter. We move again, and we save it, stop editing, and we calculate XY coordinate and go to LT fuse and OK. XY coordinate is created, and we change name D and OK. And we special join DTR to LT fuse, OK, and we output here, and we go to XY2 line. We select here join output, and here X point means DTR X point, Y point means DTR Y point. Here point X underscore 1 means LT fuse X point, and point Y underscore 1 means LT fuse Y point, and OK. You see here, generate again DTR to LT fuse, and we export it. Overhead line 4, save, remove it, and we change symbol, change symbol, and we 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 change symb last meter, same, we export LT fuse, we write meter and save. We remove coordinate, start editing and select point and go to editor, move 0.177, and enter. We move it point and we save it. And we add XY coordinate, meter and OK. Here it added XY coordinate. We write here underscore E underscore E and OK. We special join fuse to meter and OK. Join output is here. We go to XY to line, X point means LT fuse X point, Y point means LT fuse Y, point X underscore 1 means meter X point, and point Y underscore 1 means meter Y point, and OK. Our line is created. We export it. And we remove output and change symbol. Our assembly is completed. We create all assembly. You see here not one, all assembly is created. You see here all assembly is created automatically for at a time. We select it and paste all overhead line. Select all and copy, paste overhead line, we paste all, 1 and same as 2, three, and 5. Copy and paste. Here line is paste, we remove it, we also remove the TR pole. Here is our pole, so you see here all assembly is created at a time, all assembly is created. You see here all assembly is created automatically, we work only one, but see here all assembly is created systematic automatically. ST side switch, ST side fuse, DTR, LT side fuse and meter automatically is created. If any problem, please comment it. Thank you for watching video. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel if video is helpful. Automatically generating feature. Thank you.